In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the reCAPTCHA element to your forms in Webflow. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that your forms are more secure from spam and bots. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, you need to open your Webflow site in the designer. If you're not familiar with Webflow, this is the platform's interface where you can visually build and manage your website without needing to code. Once you're logged into Webflow, navigate to the project where you want to add the reCAPTCHA feature. Within there, click on the Designer tab. This will open up the workspace where you can see your existing web pages and components. Once you're in the Designer, the next step is to locate the reCAPTCHA element. You'll find this in the Elements panel, which is an essential part of Webflow's design tools. The Elements panel is usually located on the left side of the screen, filled with a variety of components you can drag and drop to build your pages. Scroll through or use the search function to find the reCAPTCHA element. It should be labeled clearly so it won't be hard to spot. Simply click on it, hold, and then drag it over to your form in the workspace. Placing the reCAPTCHA element inside any form on your page is crucial for protecting it from unwanted spam. If you have multiple forms on your website, you can repeat this process for each. Just drag and drop the reCAPTCHA into the position where you'd like it to appear. Generally, a common placement for the reCAPTCHA is near the Submit button. This makes it easy for users to complete their form-filling experience with this final security step before submitting. It acts as an additional layer of verification to ensure only genuine users are interacting with your forms. By dragging the reCAPTCHA element close to the Submit button, you're helping streamline the process for the user. It's always a good practice to ensure that this placement doesn't disrupt the natural flow or layout of your form. This means checking that it doesn't overlap other elements or make the form difficult to read. You want your form to remain accessible and user-friendly while improving its security. Adding reCAPTCHA can significantly deter the typical automated scripts used by spammers. Once you've positioned your reCAPTCHA, make sure to save your progress. To ensure it's functioning correctly, do a quick preview by clicking on the preview mode, often found at the top of the designer interface. You can simulate submitting the form to see if the reCAPTCHA is working as expected. And that's it. You've now successfully added the reCAPTCHA element to your forms in Webflow, increasing your website's security and maintaining a smooth user experience.